everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to crochet this very beautiful stitch called the side saddle stitch. I really love this stitch because it gives a very beautiful lightweight fabric that is very suitable for beautiful blankets and scarves and much more. This stitch pattern is really easy to follow, it's just a one row repeat. So just grab some yarn and a crochet hook and let's get started. We will begin by making a slip knot and a number of chains that is a multiple of 4. So for this sample I will make 20 chains. So I will yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. To start my first row, I will skip the first 3 chains from the hook, and into the 4th chain I will make a double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the 4th chain, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And the first 3 chains that I skipped will count as the first double crochet in the row. I will make 2 more double crochet into the same stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And one last time, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I have 3 double crochet into the same stitch. I will then skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and here into the 4th chain I'm going to make a single crochet. So I'm going to insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then I will chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And into the same chain where I have my single crochet, I will make 3 double crochet. So yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I will make 2 more. 1 and 2. Again, I will skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and here into the 4th, I will make a single crochet. And I will make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And just like before, I will make 3 double crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm just going to repeat this all the way across. So skip 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and 3 double crochet into the same stitch. And here at the end of the row, I should have 4 chains left. I will skip the next 3, and into the very last stitch, I will make a single crochet. And to start row 2, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And I will turn my work. And into the first stitch here, I will make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. I will then skip the next 3 double crochet from the previous row, and into the chain 3 space that you can see here, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. Then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space. 2, and 3. And I will just repeat this all the way across. I will skip the next 3 double crochet stitches from the previous row, and into the chain 3 space I will make 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and 3 double crochet into the same chain space. And here at the end of the row, I will skip the next 3 stitches, and into the chain 3 space here, I will make 1 single crochet. And I will chain 3 to start the next row. And I will turn my work. And here is what my 2 first rows look like. And row 3 is just a repeat of row 2, so I will make 3 double crochet into the same stitch, skip 3 stitches, make a single crochet into the chain 3 space, 3 chains, and 3 double crochet into the same chain space. And I will repeat all the way across. And here at the end I will skip the last 3 stitches and make a single crochet into the chain 3 space. And from here I can just repeat row after row until I am satisfied with the length of my work. And that is how you